Hi guys, highly requested. It's not a live weigh-in. January 2019 at 560 pounds. I'm doing a front shot, both sides, and a back shot. I want to use this to motivate me, to motivate others, and I am very embarrassed posting this, but I know I need to because I want to be able to come back on here and see changes. I will be posting them monthly. I want to wear the same exact outfit so I can get a better reading. And I also walk forward and I walk backwards just to get an idea of where I'm at. But my next weigh-in will be live. But posting this, I'm ashamed, nervous, but I'm also very hopeful.